On last week's episode, we stepped into the province of Shandong, trying 3 types of dumplings. Those dumplings proved to be quite the experience. You see, before this all started, before last week's episode, I gave myself a challenge to try different dumplings in the 8 major cuisines of China. Today, we head down south from Shandong to Jiangsu, which is a 325-mile trek. Our first wonton is found in the heart of Suzhou and is notoriously known for its lack of filling and bubble-like appearance. Our second wonton can be translated to Triple Delight, which combines 3 proteins: shrimp, pork, and chicken. To begin, we will start with making Suzhou's famous wonton that can be found throughout the city. The filling requires ground pork, and that's about it. Shops in Suzhou can be found pressing and thinning their wrapper even more with a rolling pin. The steps to folding requires a dot of pork, which is the glue that keeps the wonton from unraveling. From there, you pull all the sides to the center, pressing the side with the pork last to seal everything shut. Unfortunately for the bubble wonton, it didn't turn out so well because, well, the air escaped during the boiling portion. But I'm sure the real thing in Suzhou tastes really good because mine didn't turn out so well. Yeah. Our next wonton is said to have originated in the city of Suzhou. The recipe's uniqueness is in the filling as it has 3 varieties of proteins: pork, shrimp, and chicken. Combine your proteins in a large bowl and mix in one direction until fibrous and sticky. The filling seasoning is very basic and in no order: soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, white pepper, and Shaoxing wine. The secondary ingredients are green onion, shiitake mushrooms, and ginger. This wonton tasted pretty good because, well, the addition of the pork, shrimp, and also chicken made everything a lot better. And also, another element that made it really good was the addition of the shiitake mushrooms. All my dumplings that have had shiitake mushrooms have turned out really well. I think you should really add that into your next recipe. So we have experienced 2 drastically different types of wontons, one without meat and one with meat. And both are totally different, but they're all found in one area, the city of Suzhou. The Jiangsu cuisine is split up into 4 subcategories, one being Suzhou, and the others I have no idea how to pronounce. But next week, we will be experience one other type of subcategory, and I don't want to leave just quite yet, because this province and this style of cooking is quite big, and there's quite a few other dumplings out there that I want to experience. So this has been Jonathan at Let's Try Kitchen, and if you have messed up in the kitchen, you can always begin again.